Hello students, this is the continuation of fourth chapter, that is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. So already I have told that Bipin Babu, he met one person, that is Parimal Ghosh, and Parimal Ghosh just said many things which Bipin Babu had forgotten. He said in that way. So after that I will start from here. Now this is the second part. Part 1 already I have explained. Was he losing his mind? But how could that be? He was working daily in his office. It was a big firm and it was doing a responsible job. So he was thinking whether he is going mad. ऐसा तो नहीं कि वो पागल होते जा रहा है. He just forgot a part of his life. That means because his brother also died of insane. So he thought that maybe he is also going to be mad. So he was thinking over that. But he thought at the same time that he was doing a very responsible job and there is no problem there. So what's the problem? He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. Only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting and yet तो वो ऐसे ही सोच रहा था ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं जो एकदम उसने गलत किया ऑफिस में. एंड ही थॉट कि टुडे ओनली ही जस्ट स्पोक, मतलब आधा घंटा वो मीटिंग में बात किया फिर भी कोई गलत नहीं हुआ. तो हाउ कुड पर्सन से दैट ही फॉरगॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ हिज लाइफ. सो ही वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट एंड येट द मैन न्यू अ ग्रेट डील अबाउट हिम. हाउ, लेकिन कैसे? ही इवन seem to know some intimate details also. Intimate मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा close. The bag of books, wife's death, brother's insanity. So all this, so he just knew many things about him. जो personal, जो एक intimate जो details वो ही जान सकता है जो उसके साथ close कुछ बात किया. So he was thinking over that. How is it possible? Because he was saying about his wife, about his bag of books, about his brother's death. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. तो वहाँ पे वो उसने मिस्टेक किया. तो उसने बोल रहा था कि रांची गया था. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे कि he had forgotten. Not a mistake, a deliberate lie. तो उसको लगा कि बिपिन चौधरी की ये मिस्टेक कुछ नहीं, ये कुछ झूठ बोल रहा है. लाई मतलब deliberately, एकदम जानबूझ के कुछ बोलना, झूठ बोलना. In 58, during pujas, he was in Kanpur at his friend's हरिदास बागची's place. तो वो कहाँ पे था? कानपुर में था उस टाइम. और किसके घर में? हरिदास बागची के घर में. So how is it possible that the same person, एक ही person दोनों जगह पे रह सकता है? Not possible. तो all Bipin Babu had to do was write to. No, there was no way of writing to Haridas. तो उसने फिर सोचा कि चलो हरिदास को एक बार लिख के पूछा जाए कि whether at that time he had gone there or something somewhere he is mistaken. But after that he thought कि नहीं, कुछ बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife for Japan some weeks ago and he didn't have his address also. So Bipin Babu suddenly उसको याद आया कि हरिदास जो है he had gone to Japan with his wife. So no need to just call him or to ask him. And he didn't know his address also. But where was the need for proof? लेकिन कहाँ पे proof देने की क्या जरूरत है? He was thinking at the same time also that also. He himself was fully aware that he didn't been to Ranchi. And that was that. मतलब यही सच है, वो कभी रांची गया ही नहीं था उस टाइम. Now he was going to his home from his workplace. So the river breeze मतलब that is a very wind, है ना? When the wind is blowing very slowly, that is a river breeze was bracing because he was going every day beside a Ganga Nadi, है ना, Ganga river. And yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. So lingered मतलब यहाँ पे उसके दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा था, हो रहा था कुछ, मतलब discomfort, वो ठीक अच्छा फील नहीं कर रहे थे. He was thinking over that. Now around Hastings means that is a place names, road name. Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his right knee. तो इन द मीन टाइम जब वो हेस्टिंग्स के वहां पे रास्ते में उस जगह पे पहुंचे, ही जस्ट डिसाइडेड टू रोल अप मतलब अपना जो ट्राउजर है उसको उठा के क्या देख रहे थे कि राइट विंग में सच में उसको कुछ चोट लगा था. देयर वॉज अ मार्क ऑफ एन ओल्ड इंच लॉन्ग कट. इट वॉज इम्पॉसिबल टू टेल व्हेन द इंजरी हैड ऑकर्ड. तो ये इम्पॉसिबल था उनके लिए बोलना कि ये कब हुआ था. मार्क तो वहां पे था, बट व्हेन इट हैड ऑकर्ड तो ये उसके दिमाग में आ ही नहीं रहा था. सो ही जस्ट थिंकिंग ओवर दैट. Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut, हो सकता है कभी, हो सकता जो छोटा था वो गिरा होगा, उस टाइम उसका कट है ये. He tried to recall such an incident but couldn't. लेकिन वो याद ही नहीं कर पा रहे थे. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. The man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi. At the same time, the best thing surely would be to ask him. He lived quite near, in Beninandan Street. What, Beninandan Street? That is a place. What about going right now? But then, if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? He would probably conclude Bipin Babu was going nuts. No, it would be ridiculous to ask him. So then Bipin Babu is suddenly just thinking of Dinesh Mukherjee, who was also at the same time in Ranchi also with him. So he thought to go to Dinesh Mukherjee, was also residing near only, वहीं पे रहते थे. तो फिर वो सोचे चलो जाके उनसे पूछते हैं. But at the same time he also thought कि अगर वो रांची गए ही नहीं थे, then जो that person, obviously Dinesh Mukherjee क्या सोचेगा फिर? He will think that he is going nuts. Going nuts means becoming mad, going mad, crazy. So Dinesh Mukherjee obviously she started thinking that this person is mad. So he probably would conclude. So not. It would be very ridiculous. Means it is a very awkward situation. So not to just to ask him. So he thought of, if you'll ask, so obviously it is a ridiculous position for him. And he knew how ruthless Dinesh's sarcasm could be. Ruthless matlab, that is very no pity, very rough, है ना. तो दिनेश मुखर्जी always he makes a very mockery. Mockery मतलब किसी का मजाक उड़ाना. Sarcasm means mockery. तो ही जस्ट वे किसी का मतलब बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मजाक उड़ा सकते थे. सो ही थॉट दैट नो हाउ ही वुड बी वेरी रथलेस sarcasm, make very ruthless sarcasm. So he decided not to go to Dinesh. Sipping a cold drink in his air-conditioned living room, he was sitting in his room, in his home. Bipin Babu felt at ease again. Such a nuisance. Just because they have nothing else to do, they go about getting into other people's hair. मतलब इन लोगों को करना तो कुछ है नहीं, and they're just interfering and annoying other people. This type of people. So he was thinking in his room. After dinner, snugging in bed, he just with one of the new thrillers. मतलब he was just very comfortably, he was just lying down in his bed with his one book. Bipin after dinner, मतलब dinner करने के बाद Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in New Market. So when he was just reading story, because he was very fond of story books, so when he was started reading, he just forgot everything at that time. So next in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. तो उसके दिमाग में, लेकिन उसके साथ जो वो मुलाकात हुई थी उस आदमी का, है ना, that is Parimal Ghosh, he was thinking again and again about that person. So he just again, when he just went to office, he just started thinking about that person again. So occupying more and more of his mind. If the man knew of such about Bipin Babu, हाउ कुड ही मेक सच अ मिस्टेक अबाउट द रांची ट्रिप? अगर वो जानता ही है लेकिन वो कैसे बोल सकता है ये? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. It was better to settle the question over the phone. At least the embarrassment on his face wouldn't show. मतलब just before lunch, तो उस दिन उसने क्या सोचा कि बिपिन चौधरी that he decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. ताकि फोन करने से क्या होगा, उसको चेहरा तो नहीं दिखाई देगा ना. Embarrassment means a state of discomfort when the person is not feeling very comfortable. तो एम्बेरसमेंट उसके फेस में तो दिखाई नहीं देगा फोन में. अगर जाके देखेंगे बात करेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली इट वुड बी शोन इन हिज फेस, ऑन हिज फेस. सो 2355616. So he's just dialing the phone. Bipin Babu dialed the number. Hello, is that Dinesh? This is Bipin here. Well, what's the news? I just wanted to find out if you recalled an incident which took place in 1558. So he just called Dinesh Mukherjee, and Dinesh Mukherjee, oh yes, what's the matter? So he said, so you recall that we met in 58 in the year. So after that, Dinesh Mukherjee also 58. What incident? So he just asked, what incident? कौन सा incident? Were you in Calcutta right through that year? That's the first thing I have got to know. तो बिपिन चौधरी just asked कि तुम्हें याद है कि उस साल तुम वहीं पे थे, कोलकाता में थे? तो उसने भी ऐसे दिखाया कि wait just a minute, 58. Just let me check in my diary. So he was showing that he was checking in the diary. For a minute there was silence. तो टोटल वहां पे क्या था, वो जब फोन पे दूसरे साइड में वहां पे साइलेंस था. बिपिन बाबू could feel that his heartbeat had gone up. क्यों heartbeat ज्यादा हो रहा था? Why it is gone up? Because बिपिन बाबू he was thinking कि ऐसा तो ना हो कि दिनेश चौधरी also confirmed. Yes, he was at that time in Ranchi. He was waiting a little. Hello, yes. तो बिपिन चौधरी said, yes, I have got it. I had been out twice. Where? Once in February nearby to Krishnanagar to a nephew's wedding, and then you would know about this one, the trip to Ranchi. So Dinesh Mukherjee also confirmed that at that time they were in Ranchi. तो उसने ऐसे करके बोला कि फरवरी में यहाँ पे गया था. 2 बार मैंने गया था कोलकाता से बाहर. एक बार कृष्णनगर ऑल्सो नियर टू कोलकाता ओनली, और एक बार कहाँ पे गया था? रांची में. You were there too. That's all. But what's all this sleuthing about? मतलब इसमें मतलब इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग जो चल रहा था, है ना, इट इज एन इन्वेटिंग. तो और क्या इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है? Because it was confirmed that at that time Bipin Chaudhary was in Ranchi. So sleuthing means investigation. No, I just wanted to. Anyway, thanks. So Bipin Chaudhary just put down the receiver because he was disheartened. No. Bipin Babu slammed the receiver down. Slammed मतलब पटकना. It just kept down, है ना, to shut with a sudden force. Slammed means to just put something with a sudden force. So he slammed the receiver down and gripped his head with his hand. तो अपना जो सिर था वो पकड़ के वो बैठ गया. Why? Because he was now in tension. Maybe he had forgotten. He felt his head swimming. ऐसा लग रहा था, चक्कर सा आ रहा था. A chill seemed to spread over his body, so he was feeling very uncomfortable now. There were sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he didn't like to eat it. No, but he didn't eat them. He had lost his appetite. Appetite मतलब भूख, hunger. ऐसा लग रहा था. He lost his appetite also. देखोगे, when we are in a tension, when we feel very means in a tension mode, at that time we didn't like to eat anything. बहुत ज़्यादा जब टेंशन में हो तो एग्जाम टाइम पे देखोगे, sometime you felt like that. that not to eat anything. So Bipin Chowdhury was feeling very uncomfortable and he didn't like to eat at that moment. So this is the end of second part. We will continue in the third part.